Here's one of the better selling style of Mustangs we've had in recently. 2007 Shelby GT500 Mustang. Torch red in color. White vinyl stripes. Interior on this one, black and red, so nice color combination on this car. Also very low mile example. Less than 4,000 miles on this. When we get around to the side, I'll start it up and you can hear it, and we'll check out those exact miles. Of course, the Shelby had the heat exchanger hood that actually is functional. Riding on the original rims and tires. Underneath the hood, of course, 500 horsepower, 5.4 liter dual overhead cam V8 that is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, and you can tell the paint on this one is nice. It's what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles. Notice the one little touch up here, if you can see that, and one on the fender, if you can kind of see right there. A couple little small spots. Other than that, looked very, very clean. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the front of the car, underside of the car, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, factory SVT wheels, power steering, power brakes, of course, 4-wheel disc all the way around, AC, all the modern amenities. Yet more of a modern day muscle car. Shaker 1000 stereo system in this one, so you got the bigger amp and speaker in the trunk. There's that 6-speed manual, of course, power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise, power mirror. Very nicely equipped. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. Financing is available. Of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And being underneath this car, it is extremely clean. Take a look at the underside pics. Do not see any sort of modifications on it as far as exhaust, cold air intake, anything like that. So it looks like completely stock. And again, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Also, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I've not seen any sort of indications of paint work on this. You can look up and down driver's side, passenger side in the pictures. Other than those couple little spots that I noticed as far as a little touch-up paint, not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. I mean, you can see the luster and the torch red paint. It's beautiful. Now take a look at this interior. It is just as nice. I'm going to unplug that key a second. Alright, take a look at that door panel. And again, lots of times you see these kind of separating or coming loose. This one's a nice shape. Carpeting, floor mats, also just what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. Take a look at that seat and the bolster. I mean, just no wear. Back seat looks like new. Check that out in the still pictures. Headliner. Everything good on this one. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. I'll show you the exact miles. Indicator light there's going to be the seat belt. Since I don't have that on, there's your exact miles. Like I said, less than 4,000, 3,786 miles. Lots of miles left in this one. Very, very nice shape. Dash, not showing any signs of cracking, fading. Again, door panel on that side, also in nice shape. Interior's all stock too. Stereo system, AC blows cold, everything working. Alright, let's slip around to the back seat and hear this one run. Again, stock exhaust, stock under the hood. Don't see any modifications on this one. Nice little rumble. What you'd expect the GT500 to sound like. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here a second. I'm going to pause the video a second, pause, and pop the hood. So check out that engine bay. So give me a second. We'll let you see how it looks underneath there. Alright, hood pop. So there you can see the heat exchanger hood. Now, take a look at that hood liner. You can tell there's no staining, anything like that on there. This car, I don't think it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. And then come here, take a look at the engine bay. Wow. How clean and tidy that is. Just what you'd expect. Again, out of a car with 3,800 and some odd miles. Beautiful. If you're in the market for a nice Shelby GT500, here you go. Fun cars, no doubt about that. Low mile, clean Carfax, beautiful torch red, black and red interior. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and this car may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.